Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to host and join a match in Extreme Car Driving Simulator. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Extreme Car Driving Simulator game on your device and tap on the Drive button. From here, select Multiplayer to access the multiplayer options. To host a match, tap on Play under the Hosting section. Once your match is created, tap on the plus icon at the top of the screen to generate an invite code. Copy this invite code carefully and share it with a friend who wants to join your match. Make sure they open the game, go to the multiplayer section, and enter the exact code you provided. Once the code is entered correctly, your friend will be able to join your hosted match and you can start racing together. This method allows you to quickly create private multiplayer sessions and enjoy racing with friends in real time. Always ensure both devices are connected to a stable internet connection to avoid any disruptions during the match. So that's basically how you can host and join a match in Extreme Car Driving Simulator. That's it for this video. Thanks.